Do you want to have absolute control over your crypto? Here are some of the best non-custodial wallets to consider. Welcome back to Silverrod Coin. We appreciate your time and hopefully this video will provide some value. This is only for informational and educational purposes, so please do your own research before investing in crypto. When you invest in crypto, you need a place to store your digital assets. And non-custodial wallets are becoming more and more popular as decentralized finance grows. Non-custodial wallets allow users to own their assets. The word non-custodial originates from the fact that the wallet doesn't hold your crypto, but rather acts as an interface that allows easy access and third-party connections. On the contrary, custodial wallets are held by the firm that provides the service. Centralized cryptocurrency exchanges are generally custodians, meaning they have control of your coins and your funds. If you don't have your keys, you don't have your Bitcoin. That's a popular saying in the crypto world. With a non-custodial wallet, you own all your assets and maintain your private keys. Here are 2022's top 7 non-custodial crypto wallets, in no particular order. Number 1, Metamask. Metamask is one of the first browser wallet add-ons. Consensus, the industry leader in blockchain technology, introduced it in 2016. Since then, it has become the most popular wallet that does not require a bank account. This is mostly due to the fact that it was one of the few options during the massive DeFi explosion in the summer of 2020, which became known as the DeFi summer. One of the most common ways individuals have utilized Metamask in the last year has been to purchase and trade NFTs on the popular marketplace, OpenSea. Metamask allows users to create ERC20-based wallet tokens, but it can also be linked to other Ethereum virtual machine, that is EVM networks like the BNB chain, the Polygon, and others. The cryptocurrency wallet also functions as a browser plugin, allowing users to access decentralized apps developed on Ethereum and other networks that support the EVM. It also features an in-house swap function that allows users to easily exchange one token for another without going through a decentralized exchange. Metamask doesn't own your seed phrase or private keys and doesn't keep them in its possession. This means you have full control over your assets. Metamask exclusively supports the Ethereum blockchain and networks developed with the Ethereum virtual machine. This means you won't be able to use Metamask to store cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or Solana. At number 2 is Coinbase Wallet. The Coinbase Wallet, as the name indicates, was built by the well-known US-based crypto exchange Coinbase, and it is quickly becoming a favored wallet for a variety of reasons. For starters, Coinbase Wallet provides a similar user experience to existing solutions, making the move for people who already use a self-custody wallet quite simple. At the same time, it bears the Coinbase brand's credibility, which with almost 90 million users worldwide is a point to consider. The wallet was introduced in 2018 and has quickly become known as one of the most user-friendly self-custody options on the market. Coinbase Wallet, like Metamask, is a Chrome plugin that supports Ethereum and any EVM-compatible blockchain. The Coinbase Wallet plugin, unlike Metamask, also accepts Solana and SPL tokens, which are tokens that live on Solana's network. Coinbase Wallet also indicates a fully developed mobile application that is quick and simple to install. In addition to being easy to use, the mobile app can now store major tokens that are not compatible with EVM, such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, Ripple, and others. The Coinbase Wallet runs independently of its parent firm, in that no registration, No KYC or Coinbase account is required for you to own this. If you like, you may link your Coinbase wallet to a Coinbase custodial account, and this allows customers of the Coinbase exchange to rapidly move assets from one to another. But again, this is entirely optional. At number 3, Trust Wallet. The Trust Wallet is an open source and decentralized crypto wallet program that lets users buy, sell, and store digital assets in a number of different ways. Trust Wallet presently supports more than 35 blockchains and over 160 distinct digital assets. The wallet has buy, swap, and exchange functions that enable users to effortlessly trade one crypto asset for another or purchase crypto with cash. Users may engage with dApps or Ethereum and 14 other EVM-compatible ecosystems without jeopardizing their security or privacy. The wallet is compatible with iOS, Android, and desktop computers. Binance, the top cryptocurrency exchange, bought Trust Wallet in July of 2018. Number 4, Coinomi. Another wallet that is well known with a long history is Coinomi. This multi-currency wallet came out in 2014, making it one of the oldest non-custodial wallets. It works with about 125 networks and more than 1,770 digital assets, some of which can be moved through Segwit to make transactions faster. Coinomi gives users direct access to dApps, several Web3 projects, their own exchange, and the ability to swap tokens directly. Coinomi also has strong security features and can be used on many different devices and operating systems such as Android, iOS, Windows, macOS, and Linux. Number 5, we have Exodus. Exodus is a multi-currency wallet that can be used on Windows, Linux, Mac, Android, and iOS devices. It does not hold your money. The wallet is mostly for people who have never used cryptocurrency before, so it has a clean, easy-to-use interface. Exodus was made to offer services for managing portfolios and exchanging cryptocurrencies. So people can store, manage, and trade cryptocurrencies all from the same place. It works with more than 130 different cryptocurrencies, such as BTC, Ethereum, BNB, the Binance coin, Solana, and Doge. The wallet also lets users make money from their cryptocurrency without taking any risks. Exodus gives users a cut of the profit when they buy and sell crypto to crypto. The bonus is sent straight to the user's account. Number 6, Ledger. Since it started in 2014, Ledger has become a fast-growing company that builds infrastructure and security solutions for cryptocurrencies, as well as blockchain applications for companies and individuals. The company started in Paris and now has more than 130 employees in both France and San Francisco. Already, 1.5 million Ledger wallets have been sold in 165 countries. The company wants to make sure that the new class of crypto assets are safe. Ledger has created a unique operating system called BOLOS, BOLOS, which is built into a secure chip in its wallet. So far, Ledger is proud that it is the only company on the market to offer this technology. The Ledger wallet is easy to set up and use and supports more than 1,500 different digital assets. It is portable and has a long-lasting battery life. It is best for ERC20 tokens but can also be expensive. The Ledger hardware wallet and the Ledger Live app work together to give you a robust way to track and protect all of your crypto assets. With this app, you can keep track of thousands of cryptocurrency tokens from your computer or phone. Simply put, the Ledger ecosystem is in your pocket. Make sure that you are the only one in full control of your digital assets. This is different from a cryptocurrency exchange, which holds your cryptocurrency in its possession. If an exchange gets hacked or shuts down, you might not be able to get the money you have stored there. And last but not the least, at number 7, we have Zengo. Zengo is one of the most widely used multi-currency cryptocurrency wallets because it strikes a good balance between the complexity of its features and the ease with which they may be used. Zengo gives its customers full control over their cryptocurrency and a simple way to get their money back if they lose or misplace their mobile device. The use of private keys is replaced in the Zengo mobile cryptocurrency wallet with a form of sophisticated encryption known as multi-party computation, MPC. This wallet does not store users' private keys. This ensures that there is not a single vulnerable point in the system. Through the use of the wallet software, you have the ability to purchase, trade, transfer, receive, stake, and store over 70 different cryptocurrencies. And on top of all these great features, the firm provides round-the-clock customer service that may be reached straight through the app. Now, knowing all this, which of the many non-custodial crypto wallets is the best fit for you? There are so many out there. Because there are so many options, it can be hard to find the best non-custodial cryptocurrency wallet for you. But you should think about a few things before choosing the wallet that best fits your needs and level of experience. Are you a crypto expert or a beginner? These are some of the questions you should be asking. Do you want a wallet that lets you swap coins right inside it and has a dApp browser? Do you want a wallet that works best on your phone, on your computer, or on both? What kind of digital cryptocurrency do you want to keep and invest in? The answers to the above questions will help you choose the best cryptocurrency wallet for your needs. Keep in mind, though, that with non-custodial wallets, you are the only one responsible for the safety of your funds. This means that security should always be your top priority to make sure that your assets are always safe. So go ahead and click the links in the description below to find out more about these wallets if you need more information. If you enjoyed this content, do like this video, subscribe to this channel, and click the bell icon to be notified of when we publish videos like this. Thank you for joining us on Silverrod Coin, and until next time, keep learning. Bye.